Alright, so it is Friday morning, or it's a little bit later now, but Thursday practice went really well. We chased pretty much all day, a couple lead runs just to get some data on it, and overall we had a very successful day. I'm happy with everything. Going into today, I really would like to dial in some grip to get the car comfortable to drive aggressively in qualifying, and I think we're probably top 5 right now, and I'm ready to turn it up and try a little harder, as long as the weather can hold out. So Saturday morning, we're about to go out for tandem practice, but yesterday was really successful. We went out, had a really good practice session, dialed the car in, did a bunch of lead runs. We're doing some tire conservation stuff to see if we can get them to last and have a little bit more grip in the last turn. We were able to knock that down pretty well. Went out for qualifying in the first run, had an amazing first run. I thought it should have been a 95 or so. Judges ended up giving it a 91. It was the highest on the board with Vaughn, tied for a little while, and then some other people got higher. About 6 people before my run, it started drizzling, and then a couple times before it started pouring rain pretty good. So basically, we went out and did a rain run as practice. They gave us a sight lap. I did a full drift sight lap, and then on the second run, I put down a really good, consistent, smooth, very little steering movement, lots of commitment on throttle given the rain and all that, and we ended up with an 87. Unfortunately, that only put us in 10th place in qualifying, but it is what it is, and we're going to go in today with our battle with Matt Kaufman.
RTR. Back by the Chelsea initiates into the sweeper. Look at Smoke signal in the smoke
In top 16, we had JTP, a Mustang battle, and he made some mistakes out there. He spun across the finish line. I ended up hitting him after the finish line. For some reason, they had to review it 100 times to make sure I didn't hit him and cause a spin. When he spun after the finish line anyway, didn't matter, spun on his own, and then I ended up hitting him afterwards. So there was like a 15-minute debacle about how that was all going down. And then in the lead run, I went out, killed the lead run, and he spun again in the chase. So, I mean, that kind of put the nail in the coffin there. In top 8, I ran against Ryan Literal. Really good battle. His car was actually broken, had some intercooler piping or supercharger problems, so it was down on power. So we ended up getting jammed up behind him in the chase, and then on the lead run, we had a really good lead run again in front of him, pulled a little bit of a gap, and they ended up giving us the win. In top 4, I battled Peter Visick, and we had a really good run. I chased first, I threw it in, I was super aggressive on initiation, and then I backed off a little bit. I don't know why I did. I think it was because I was kind of in front of him, and I knew I was going to make contact with him in a way that was going to be deemed my fault. So instead of just hitting him like I normally would, I backed off for some silly reason. He gapped me a little bit. I was able to reel him in before the last turn and finish on his door. And then on the lead run, I had a really, really good lead run, probably the best run I've had all weekend, but of course he was right there glued on me. Our second lap tires didn't quite have as much grip, so we weren't really able to pull a gap or at least be as fast as we were earlier. So unfortunately it just didn't happen that way, and we ended up losing that battle. But top 4 overall, I'm pretty excited about that. Unfortunately, it didn't really do much for me in points. I'm still in 11th overall. I was in 13th before St. Louis. Got a podium in St. Louis and got 4th place. I've only moved up 2 spots, and the 2 people behind me are like 3 points behind me. So I'm like almost no better off than where I was before I went into Seattle or St. Louis. But it's all good. It could have been worse. I could be further down. So we'll see. Go to Orwindale, and car's pretty well. Car's set up. Team's working well together, and I'm excited to go to the next round.